the bed up on Thursday night. The mattress was wet quite a lot in a lot of places. We are hoping it's just condensation because we can't find any leaks anywhere, that any water that's coming in, because it has rained quite a lot. Yeah, we just don't know. So if anybody knows, anyone can tell us what they do with condensation and a leaky, and not a leaky mattress, condensation-y mattress, let us know, because we don't know. That's all 11 subscribers. So anyway, we're just coming into, oh, this is a scary bit, let me stop. Yeah, we're coming into Honiton. When we first got Steve, not Colin, when we first got Steve, like over a year and a half ago, this bit here that we're just about to turn now, in my head was like a really sharp like turn going up a hill, and it was freaking me out. And then when we actually did it, it was like, oh, is that it? So it's not really that scary, but in my head it is scary, but it's not, and so that will probably remain with me forever. As you can see, the wobbles are wobbling. Yes, so we've got 90 miles to go, so probably see you later. Goodbye. Okay, so it is Saturday night, and we got here in the rain. Absolutely, we got to Lyndhurst, posing at the car park. So it wasn't raining. Posing at the car park, it absolutely starts hammering down, and it was proper torrential rain, wasn't it?
It was tropical.
So, anyway, faffed about there, got a bit of shopping, and got to this campsite, which is Black Knoll.
Yeah, near Brockenhurst.
Near Brockenhurst. Pouring with rain, and so nice campsite. Isn't it? Yeah, I think we come here again.
Yeah, I know.
It's a, what do you call it?
Caravan and Motorhome Club.
What?
Caravan and Motorhome Club.
Yeah, one of those. So I've got another little disc. So yeah, the showers are clean, like the normal caravan and motorhome showers, really clean, really warm. Blah 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 blah. The only thing was, I don't know about yours, but my shower, there wasn't. Is it pressure? It wasn't like I had to really stand like quite close to the wall for the actual shower to cover me.
Because mine was fine.
Unbelievable.
And mine was quite hot.
Yeah, mine was hot. It was warm. Yeah. So it's. I think the rain's died down a bit, isn't it? At the moment.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's almost stopped now. It's just that misty rain.
So tomorrow we've got to leave here. We're hoping to. Well, we've got to leave here by about 7 to be at Southampton.
We've got to be in the docks in the queue but before 9 o'clock.
Yeah,
or
so
by 9 o'clock.
We're going to get there early in case there's any flooding.
It's probably
or
only
half
hour, 40 minutes away, but we've got to get diesel on the way.
Yeah, so
So
we're getting there.
It was quite flooded on the way down, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So if it's got any worse.
I'm walking back from the shower, like there's like little streams on the path. Bloody cold on your feet. So that's the plan. So getting the ferry thingy to the Isle of Wight tomorrow to spend 6 days at the same campsite on the Isle of Wight. 6 days, 6 nights, whatever.
6 nights, yeah.
So that's it really. So TTFN. Bye.